most essential meal of the day is breakfast. The breakfast you eat sets the tone for the rest of the day. Starting the day with a nutrient-dense breakfast gives you the energy to push through and make better choices. Skipping it and denying your body of essential nutrients will make you feel sluggish, cause blood sugar imbalances, and even cause brain fog. A nutrient-dense breakfast, on the other hand, improves focus, decreases the risk of diabetes, lowers cholesterol, and keeps you energized. Now you must be wondering which meals, however, will accomplish the trick? Is there any avocado on the menu? How about some yogurt? What are some excellent breakfast options? Today, we'll go through all of the breakfast foods that will help you have a productive day. 1. Egg. It's one of the most popular and nutritious meals, have long been a favorite breakfast option for many people. Is it, however, worth the hype? Definitely. Both the yolk and the white of an egg are high in protein and heart-healthy unsaturated fats. What could be a better way to start the day than with the proper amount of vital minerals and vitamins? Eggs are quite adaptable and may be prepared in a variety of ways. They are extremely filling and will keep you satisfied until lunchtime, regardless of how you prepare them. This eliminates the harmful nibbling that leads to weight gain in between meals. 2. Plain Greek yogurt. Yogurt is a fantastic way to start the day. The overwhelming number of beneficial bacteria is the first thing that comes to mind when you think about it. However, there are further advantages. Including yogurt in your breakfast is a smart idea, especially if you're trying to shed a few pounds. The nutritious content will keep you energetic throughout the day while also keeping your digestive system healthy. You may also add your favorite fruit for a hint of healthy sweetness, since it is high in calcium and probiotics. If you make a morning workout a habit, it may become your best buddy. Making buttermilk by diluting yogurt in water and combining it with a sprinkle of rock salt is a fantastic post-workout snack. 3. Oatmeal. Are you trying to lose weight? And are you looking for gluten-free breakfast ideas? Then oatmeal is the healthiest and most nutritious option. It has to be one of the best morning meals. A big dish of oats is a nutrient-dense food. This quick-to-prepare meal contains insoluble fiber, which reduces cholesterol and stabilizes blood sugar, making you feel fuller. Antioxidants are another key component, as are some natural anti-inflammatory qualities that protect the heart. The mix of cooked oats, organic nut butter, and fresh fruits, sans the chemical sweeteners, will undoubtedly keep you away from the vending machine. 4. Nut butter. What can't butter do? Nut butter is delicious, creamy, and nutritious, made from nuts like almonds, peanuts, or walnuts. Filled with the goodness of heart-healthy saturated fats and protein, tree nuts in general have been linked with weight loss and reducing the risk of chronic diseases. Nut butter is a great way to include protein in your diet, especially if you're vegetarian or vegan. Did you know that people who eat nut-based butter are less likely to be overweight as compared to people who don't? That's true. Adding a spoonful of your favorite nut butter to your morning green smoothie, salad bowl, or sandwich will be a great way to kickstart your day. 5. Chia Seeds. The chia seed health trend is one you should get on board with. This superfood sprang to popularity as one of the world's healthiest seeds. What makes it a good choice for breakfast? Antioxidants, fiber, calcium, and a variety of other essential nutrients protect your body from pollutants. Sprinkle some on a bowl of yogurt with fruit or salad to provide nutritious value as well as a wonderful crunch to your meal. These nutritious seeds, which are naturally high in omega-3 fatty acids, produce a sensation of fullness, which can help you lose weight. Add them to oatmeal, smoothies, cereals, or puddings in the morning. 6. Avocado. When it comes to superfoods for breakfast, avocado toast with freshly diced tomatoes, onions, and salt and pepper will get you through the day. Did you know that avocados contain chemicals that protect the body in the same manner as olive oil does? Starting the day with this wonderful fruit coupled with an egg is a champion's breakfast. Needless to say, it will boost your fullness and minimize your desire to snack between meals. The body cannot generate the unique unsaturated fats present in nature. These beneficial fats can decrease cholesterol and minimize the risk of heart disease and even cancer caused by poor lifestyle choices. 7. Banana. Bananas are a renowned potassium powerhouse. Their kindness, however, is not confined to that. Tossing some chopped bananas into your fruit bowl or smoothie will improve your mood and give you an energetic start to the day, since they are high in satisfying fiber and other essential nutrients. The resistant starch in bananas promotes digestive health while not leaving you feeling bloated or sluggish. Including them in your breakfast also implies reduced blood pressure, which helps to maintain your heart in excellent health. Add them to your oatmeal with nut butter and top with chia, pumpkin, or flax seeds for a creative way to incorporate them. 8. Spinach. Greens are usually a good breakfast option. This leafy green, the foundation of any healthy green drink, is high in folate and fiber, both of which help build muscles. Spinach has been shown to reduce the risk of getting osteoporosis and heart disease, two of the most frequent health issues in the United States. Simply adding a handful of this superfood, which is healthier than kale, will change the way you approach your day. Eating this nutritious green every morning will not only prevent muscles from degeneration, but will also boost blood flow in the body. 9. Sweet potatoes. Have you ever considered starting your day with these flavorful and nutrient-dense tubers? If not, perhaps you should begin? Sweet potatoes are a great way to start the day since they are high in fat-burning chemicals. Because they are low on the glycemic index, they provide a feeling of fullness, at least until lunch. If you're tired of eating cereal or bacon and eggs every morning, sweet potatoes will provide nutrition while also providing a different choice. Swapping your typical morning bagel, muffin, or pastry for this low-carb veggie can provide you with the energy you need to get through the day. For a full breakfast, combine sweet potato hash with eggs and veggies. 10. Black tea. Black tea, which is typically underappreciated, is an essential component of a well-rounded diet. Do you enjoy your morning cup of joe? Consider switching to black tea. It will jolt you awake. Caffeine from black tea will not only help you combat tiredness, but it will also improve your mental sharpness. It may take some time to get used to the robust and powerful flavor, but once you do, it's a fantastic beverage that will keep you focused throughout the day. Simply bring some water to a boil and add the tea leaves. Allow it to settle for a few minutes before straining it through a strainer to make a revitalizing cup of tea. Breakfast should, of course, be nutritious and should not be neglected. Choosing the proper cuisine for your first meal of the day can help you fill up on vital nutrients and improve your immune system. So, how do you start your day? Please leave your thoughts and recommendations in the comments area. If you enjoyed this video, hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more videos like this.